Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use the cut page in DaVinci Resolve 18. So, to get on the cut page, you press this button here, and then here's the cut page. So, when you get on the cut page, it's got the same timeline as the edit page, but it has a second one on top, and this one is just a zoomed out version of the one at the bottom. If I move along, and you could do similar things. You could delete clips, or you kind of just move them, make them shorter or longer, and that kind of thing. So you can still do very similar things. It's just a more zoomed out version. Now I'm going to show you the tools at the top, so the ones right here. So the first one is close. I want to cut it right here. I will go onto it, and then I will press this button here, which is split clips, as it says there, and you press it right here, like that. So the next one is called Smart Insert, which is this one right here. If you have something pressed on your nipple up here, and then you press on, it'll go in between your clip. Here, it is in between your clips. So up here, there's this clip, and then the brand new one right there. The next tool is called Append. So this one right here. If you have something clicked on your media pool, I'm just going to use this one again, and if I press it, it will go at the end. So I was right about here, and now the whole clip is this clip here has gone onto the end right here. So the next tool is called Ripple Overwrite. If there's one place clip with, let's just say this one, I shall press on both of them like that, and then if I press, so you can see up here that the clip has disappeared and it's been replaced with this one instead. Is called Close Up. So this one right here, if you press on a clip and then press on Close Up, it will, but it will be zoomed in like this. So this is the zoomed in one, and then you'd have your zoomed out one. So the next tool is called Place on Top. So if you click on the clip and then press play, it will duplicate on top. Just like this, right? The next one, so this one here is called Source Overwrite. If you press on a clip that you want maybe up here, and then press on Source Overwrite, it will duplicate at the end of your timeline. This one is called Dissolve. So this one right here, press on it. It's like an easier way to expand or like slow your clips. Let's see right here that it's all moved. You can move it like this, or like that, or just, yeah. Next one, right here, called Fast Review. If you press it, it will speed up your play, so it will play fast. Just a lot like that, so compared to like this normally, and compared to yeah, it's like just a play button. Now we're going to look at the tools on the side. First one is these two over here, so Lockhead and Playhead. If you have Lockhead on, if you have what's called Freehead on, you can move this bottom line, I forgot what it's called, but this line, this red line here, you can move it freely just like the one at the top. But then, if you have Lock Playhead on, it's not really move it. You have to go like this and move it, and then move it, but you can just, it's much easier to move it up here, and I have Lock Playhead on because you don't really need to. The next tool is called Snapping, so this magnet right here, if you have it on, it doesn't overlap as easy. There's like a little barrier bit kind of half protecting it. If you do push too hard though, it will still overlap. But if you have it off, like that, it just be like that. Next tool is marker. So this one here, let's say I want a marker here for some reason. I'd press that marker button right here, and if I move this out of the way, oh, well, you can actually move the marker like this. I was going to do that. Oh, let me move it. It pops up here, like this. So you kind of mark where you might want something. And yeah, the next one is called add track. If you use this, it will add another. You can use it for. You can use a video one or an audio one or just whatever kind of one. But that way you can add as many tracks or audio ones as you want. I think there might be a limit though. But next tool is the track, just this bit here. So I'll do the video one first and then the audio. The video one, you could disable the track, you could mute the track, or you could unmute or lock it. So you can't do anything to it. You can unlock. And then the audio one is similar, but you can't have the disabled track bit. You can just mute or unmute, or you can just lock it. Now we're just going to do the screen, but I'm just going to do a couple of bits because you don't really need to know much if you're just starting out. You only really need to know the stuff down here because there's not really much that you need to know if you're just going to make a simple edit. The first one is called full screen. So if you press it, it shows the full screen like this, and you can pause, you can mute, unmute, and then you can go out by pressing this button here. Next one is called quick export. If you press it, you can save it to your files with, you might want like YouTube's kind of like resolution and frame rate, or you might want to use this kind of one. So, or you can upload it to a certain app or website or whatever. Okay, so that's it. You have learnt the basics of the cut page. If you are a beginner and you're interested, I have another video guide to the edit page and how to download and how to use it. Download DaVinci Resolve 18, not the edit page. And if you are interested in that, I will link it in the description. Anyway, I hope you have a good day. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I may see you in the next video. Bye.